welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to get free ringtones on both Android and any phone, and also the iPhone as well, showing you the certain software that you would use or the certain app that you would use in order to get these free ringtones. And let's go ahead and get started. Hello everyone, so first we're going to start with an Apple product, and in this video we're going to be using an iPhone 4 on iOS 7.1.2, and we're going to go ahead, go into settings, make sure that your iCloud and iTunes is signed out, because due to some odd reason Apple will not let you use any third-party apps due to the fact that on iTunes that they sell ringtones and also notification sounds for a low price of $1.29, when in reality you could do this for absolutely free. So we're going to make sure that the iCloud is signed out and everything, which it is on this specific device. And we're going to go ahead, go back to the home screen here. And we're going to go ahead and plug in the phone into the laptop or desktop. Unfortunately, 3U Tools is only for Windows computers. I'm going to simply try to find a workaround on once I obtain a MacBook. But other than that, you're going to go ahead and plug your device in. And 3U Tools is going to load the image of the specific device that you have loaded into the computer. And it's going to tell you all the information you need to know, such as the battery percentage, the battery life left in it, how many charge cycles, when it was manufactured, and also if it's been jailbroken or anything like that as well, along with a few other serial numbers and everything. And we're going to go ahead and click the tab up top to ringtones, and you're going to go ahead and either search up a ringtone or a certain tone you want, and also you're going to play a little snippet if you want to listen to how it sounds. And then after that you're going to click the little download button on the side of the play button, and then afterwards you're going to go to downloads up top. You're going to click the specific ringtone or ringtones that you have selected, and then you're going to go ahead and make sure they are imported into your device. It's just going to take a second. If it pops up this little message that says to replace or to overwrite, go ahead and do so. And I'm going to go ahead and check it. I've already downloaded a little bit on here, but this Halsey one is the one that I specifically just downloaded onto this phone to show you guys this video. And due to copyright issues, I cannot play that song for over 3 seconds. So I'm just not going to play it at all, just in case. And other than that, that is successfully how to do it on your Apple device. And other than that, we're going to go ahead and transition and show you the way of on an Android phone now. And I'll see you guys here in a second. Alrighty everyone, now I'm going to show you how to do it on an Android phone. This works on any Android phone from, I believe, KitKat all the ways up to the newest Android update, which is 10.0. We're going to go ahead, download the app Zedge. We're going to go ahead and also go to ringtones. You can either search or use the top downloaded ringtones as well. They'll go ahead and play a little snippet of it. That just showed me how to slide through on here instead of going back to the main screen. You can either set it individually like this or just download the whole thing by the 3 dots up in the right hand corner. It's going to allow you to download the actual ringtone on your phone. We're going to go ahead and go to settings here. Go to our ringtones, and on this, since this is running 8.0, it's going to have a little plus symbol in the corner. It's going to ask me here, because I didn't really set it up, if you would like to complete this action using a certain one. Just click allow. And then at the top here, we just downloaded Lil Nas Old Town Road off of Zedge. You can go ahead and edit this little snippet if you would like. And this will be your ringtone, and you can always go back and edit and also download more ringtones if you feel like it. And just to show you another part, which is notifications, instead of having that weird ding noise that you normally would have standard on your Android phone, we're going to go ahead and go to notification sounds on Zedge, and you can search any funny or just kind of normal, or if you want to even have your Android phone be like an iPhone, they do have that as well. You're just going to go ahead and do similar steps, 3 dots in the corner, download, and then go to notification sound on your phone, go to the plus. And on top of the Old Town Road one, it popped up the little ding noise that I just downloaded. And other than that, that is the easy way how to use Zedge in order to get free ringtones absolutely free, no ads. Well, sometimes ads on Sedge, but other than that, those are the two ways on both Android and also iPhone on how you can simply download free ringtones or notification sounds absolutely free and bypass iTunes on Apple or bypass the Google Play Music on an Android phone. And other than that, that has been another CNT video. I hope you enjoyed this content, and I hope to see you in the next one. CNT out.